2026 is starting off strong. That's whether we're talking about global conflicts, that's whether we are talking about events occurring in major US cities, or more importantly, some of the reveals from 2026 SHOT Show. Normally when it comes to SHOT Show, I don't get overly invested or get too hopeful. There's been too many awesome projects that's never come to fruition. A lot of them we're seeing finally trickling out, or some variants of them, but it's never within the timelines that are promised to us. So I try to keep my expectations fairly low. That's until seeing this video this morning. So the VSS and the AS VAL are some of my favorite weapon platforms. They're basically the same thing with some minor changes between the two. It's right up there with the AK platform. I love the look and design and some relative simplicity of comp block weapons. And for me, that's all the reason I need to want them in my collection. So back in November, I started a journey trying to locate a VSS or AS VAL in the US market. Unfortunately, came up fruitless. There was nothing I could find. I found a few forums where there was potentially parts kits that came into the country, some manufacturers attempting to make them, but nothing was ever released, or some poorly made clones that don't even function the same. I have a little bit of tism when it comes to firearms and their performance, technology, all of that. Not quite a purist, but I want it to be as close to the original as I can. And up until recently, we didn't have that option. We now potentially have a manufacturer that's making them, but the price tag is fairly steep even for the more affordable version of it. Since I'm impatient, I have a little bit of experience in Blender making 3D models and printing them. I have a couple 3D printers. I decided to start the journey of making my own. So I was wanting to keep this project under wraps. I've shared it with some people on my personal Facebook page and a few others in one of the groups I'm in. But this is my take on the AS VAL. So this one I've named the VS22, as the name may imply. It is chambered in 22 long rifle. It took me about a month and a half to get the first firing version of this and get the first test fires done. Since then, I've done 5 test fires. Each one, there's something I've learned about the platform itself. Most of it is printed. The barrel is borrowed from a Rossi RS22 6-inch variant pistol. The firing pin and extractor are borrowed from a Glenfield Model 80. Otherwise, everything else is made by hand, either with the printer in 3D modeling, or for some of the sugar components, they are made of metal, Dremel and file. But this is a project that eventually I like to see it set sail. It's not going to until I'm 100% confident in it. Like I said, there's still some changes that I'm making to it, still some more testing I want to do before it sees anything further from a passion project. But if that's something you would be interested in following along, I want to start putting out some videos of the design process for it, some of the testing, successes, failures, just what I've learned along the way. As I said, this is my first 2A project that's this intricate. I'm pretty happy with how it's coming now. It does fire, it does eject, it does load a new round. So the important parts are there, just little fine tuning that need to be done. But if that's something that you want to follow this journey with me on, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you got to do to stay informed on this platform. And once this project's done, I plan on bringing more. So that's about it for now. Thanks, guys.